Hello, welcome to mathematics session. In this session, we are going to look at sets, and the subtopic under sets, we are looking at shading of regions in the Venn diagram. Before we proceed, let us first look at the tips that you need to know in order for you to successfully deal with this topic. Number one, complement of a set. When you see a letter with an hyphen or apostrophe or raised to the to this symbol, you should remember that this is a complement, and it means not part of. So when we say a complement, we are saying elements or members that are not part of set A. Or in this case, since we are talking about shading, do not shade set A. So A complement means do not shade set A. Then tip number two, A intersect B, shade what is common. What is common is called intersection set. Then tip number three, A union B, shade both A and B only. So you shouldn't shade the universal set, the universal set. So you shade everything of A and everything of what? B. So let us look at some of the examples. Shade the following sets. A complement. A complement. So what do? Go to A. This is my A. So meaning this, according to the first rule, it's saying do not shade set A. So if this is set A, with its boundaries, we shouldn't shade. So set A, the boundary is this one. So we are not going to shade its boundary, but we are going to shade the rest. Okay, so in this case, you can shade like this. Okay, so we can shade like this. So this is it. Set A complement, that is it. Do not shade set A, so we leave out set A. So this is how you are supposed to do. Then the next one is A union B, meaning shade everything of A and everything of B. So here we are going to shade everything in what? In A and everything in B. So this is it, how we are supposed to shade. So this is it, shade A union B. This is the union. Then the opposite of this is complement. So we say A union B complement. So according to the first rule, we are saying not part of, or do not shade set A union B. Do not shade the union of A and B. Do not shade A union B. So A union B is everything here, like in this case, this one. So we are not going to shade this. So what we are going to do, we are going to shade the outside region. So this is it, what you are supposed to do. So this is it. This is the A union B complement, meaning A union B is not part of the required region, or do not shade A union B. So this is the answer. The next one is A intersect B. A intersect B, according to rule number 2, shade what is common. So what is common between A and B is this one. This is common, this is the intersection. So this is what we are going to shade only. So this is the A intersect B. Then the last one, uh, P complement intersect Q intersect R. So here what you are supposed to do, you first focus on the complement. And if you look at this intersection, this is intersection and this is intersection. So we are intersecting all the sets. So the intersection of A, the P Q is this one. The intersection of QR is this one. The intersection of P and the R is this one. So now, in this case, the restriction is that P complement. P is not part of or do not shade set P. So you go first to set P. So set P, the boundaries of set P is this one, like this. So this, the lot of this and this is what? Set P. We should not shade it. So this will remain blank like this. Okay, then we go inside there. It will remain blank like this. Then Q intersect R. Q intersects R, we shade this one if this is not part of this. So this is the answer. So this is how you are supposed to do. So when you have more than two sets, then there is a complement. Start with a complement, ignore that set. P complement, meaning we ignore the entire set P. So wherever it is, we ignore. Then we consider now this A intersect Q. A intersect Q, we bear in mind that we shouldn't go in the region of what? P. So this is it. Q intersect R when we have a complement, P complement. So we shouldn't go inside there. Then we are going to shade set P, which is not part of what is needed. So this requires practice. You have to go through a lot of past papers for you to understand. And more importantly, for joining my WhatsApp group, you can WhatsApp this number 0977 92 79 26 for the full lesson on shading and describing sets. Thank you for your attention.